wrapping up our big exterior projects. Power Home Solar.
Well, Ryan's really making some progress in there with his crew. And as we move outside, I hear the guys installing the last bit of our solar panels. And of course, our buddy Jayson with Power Home Solar's here. Thanks a lot. Hey, good to see you, man.
Hey, man, good to see you. How are you?
So this is the up close and personal version of what we're putting up on the roof, man.
Exactly.
It's got a really sleek glass look. Let's talk about this. This is sort of unique to you the way you're installing this, right?
Rather than lay them sideways, we would like to put them up. A, we get less penetrations in the roof.
Very
and B,
important.
we can fit more on there. I mean, you can see it's like a puzzle. It looks like glass. It's very clean.
Yeah.
And it's producing energy, which is why we're here.
So how durable are these?
Great question. It'll outlast the roof. You know, we sign up a lot of customers. They have a 25-year warranty on this product. We get a lot of customers that their roof ends up having issues. We have to remove the panels, replace the roof, then put the panels back on. They are made for hail, snow, wind, rain, doesn't matter.
Well, I'll tell you what, man, speaking of being around for a long time, Power Home Solar, you've been a great partner on Military Makeover. It's a great product, and it's great for the homeowner to put money back in their pocket.
Yeah, thanks for having us on. I mean, we're glad that we can bring some of our veterans out here to install this for another veteran. They'll never be powerless. Power goes out, they'll have some kind of power in their home.
Yeah, it's great, man. I'll tell you what, Military Makeover, empowering our veterans, even during our makeover, right?
Bam!
Thank you.
Thank you.